This is a video to fulfill the requirements for the BIE 420 semester project. In this video, a financial feasibility analysis will be conducted for a client who owns an apartment in Linwood Manor in Pretoria. Our client is considering the following three options. Option 1, renting out an unfurnished apartment on a permanent year-to-year basis. Option 2, renting out a furnished apartment short-term through a platform like Airbnb or Legacy. Option 3 is to sell the apartment, cash out, and invest everything in a unit trust. It is important to note that we have a 5-year time span for this project. I decided to start at the start of 2019. Let's head to the Excel workbook. Now, the options information sheet serves as the summary for the entire project. Here, all of the alternatives and options are considered. Let's start off with the renovations, repairs, and furnishing costs. This is mostly relevant to option 1 and 2, but also to option 3, where the plumbing is fixed and the stove is replaced. I decided to replace the stove immediately, not to bother with the percentage increase that the stove will cost with each month. To actually pay for all of the renovations and repairs, the client needs financing. 3 financing options were considered: refinancing the mortgage, taking out a personal loan, or going into credit card debt. Going to calculatorbuddy.com, a comparison website. It takes rates from all over and compares them to one another. The best rate I found was a personal loan from ABSA. In these cells over here, different loans are then considered. I rounded up it to 9% per year, just to be on the safe side. And this is then the payment over the next 2 years per month. For interest sake, I calculated the total interest that is paid over the 2-year period for that personal loan. Going back to the options information sheet, we can now look at the revenues for each option. You will note that each option for option 1 and option 2 has 2 scenarios. Here, when the new flooring is installed, we can ask more on our lease per month. For option 2, I found on the Airbnb site that if an apartment has Wi-Fi, you can charge significantly more per day. For interest sake, I wanted to check out what the difference would make if Wi-Fi were installed. For option 3, after speaking to Vilco and Harbour Wealth, so for this scenario, I considered if a unit trust were to be invested in, I would do it through Harbour Wealth, where a financial advisor will then look at the trusts and invest for me. Vilco said that the revenue from these trusts average on 10% per year on the total amount that is invested, and he is very confident in this amount. He says that sometimes it is a little bit less and sometimes it's a little bit more, but on average you will get over a 5-year period a 10% return on the amount that is invested. If we go to the rent tab, we can see how the rent was calculated. Looking at monthly historical rental income for the apartment, we can deduce what the next few years' rental income will. So starting at 2019, we will add an 8%. Then, to keep people that rent the apartment happy, we will increase by 8% every second year. Option 2, however, is a little bit more tricky. Now, I decided to, if we don't have Wi-Fi, charge 700 Rand per day. And this is in line with the area's rates of ours. If we install Wi-Fi, we could maybe ask 850 Rand per day. And this will also then increase 8% per year. But this is easier to increase since we don't have permanent customers. Now, to get the monthly income for this, I actually went to Airbnb's site. If you go down to the booking, you can actually see the amount of days that are open for booking for various apartments in the area. So for instance, this one has this entire week open, but the rest of the days are blanked out, meaning that they are booked. If you go to the next month, you can see that these days are booked, but these days are still open since nobody has booked them yet. After doing this for many other apartments in the area, I found it a minimum number of days, a maximum number of days, and a mode number of days. And I then drew a triangular distribution over how many days people could then live in that apartment using Airbnb. Using this distribution and drawing from it, using these random numbers, I then calculated an average income per month for the years over the next 5 years. This is then drawn to the options information tab. To find the revenue for option 3, we go to the trust tab. After finding the amount we invest, this is calculated by taking the 920,000 Rand we sold the apartment for, subtracting the mortgage we paid off and the capital gains tax. We can then find the percentage increase per month. This is then a 10% increase divided by the number of months. Now we can go to the rates, levies, and taxes. The following table provides us with the historical levies and taxes that was charged to this apartment. Going to the rates, levies, and taxes tabs, we can find the following. We have the historical data. This then was dragged out. As soon as we reach the rate values, we have forecasted values. These values, the calculations around these values can be found on the levies forecast and the rates and taxes forecast sheets. Using the Excel forecast function, we can with a good confidence say that the levies and the rates and taxes will increase with the following amounts. Averaging over the forecasting amounts for the next 5 years, we can find the following rates and levies taxes for options 1 and 2. Now we head to the expenditure part of this project. For option 1, the expenses are are basically agent fees. This was found to be 7.5% per year, and I pay this at the beginning of each year. For option 3, I chose Airbnb since their information was more readily available. I found that Airbnb charges 3% service fee plus VAT, leading us to 18% service fee per month. The values you see here are the service fees we need to pay every month. The expenditure for option 3 is a 2% service fee on the total investment, according to Volco from Harbour Wealth. Now that we have both the income and the expenses, we can look at taxing. By going to the personal tax sheet, we can see the following. Now, our client earns a salary of 950,000 Rand per year, and it is expected to escalate by 7% per year over the next 5 years. The SARS tax brackets are expected to account for a 4% increase in salaries per year. Going to the SARS webpage, we can then see that our client will fall in this tax bracket over here. Note that the upper bound is 1.5 million Rand. Now, for the purposes of this project, the analysis will be done only on the differences between the options. So the tax paid on a salary is not considered. However, we will only focus on the tax paid on the revenue from each option. So by taking the 1.5 million upper bound of the tax bracket and minusing the salary per year increase, we can then find the relative income that can be earned before crossing over to the next tax bracket. So currently we fall inside a 41% personal tax bracket, but crossing over this will then enter us into the tax bracket resulting in 45%. Using these values and the taxable income from each option, we can then find the tax that needs to be paid every year. This tax I will then pay at the end of each and every year. The capital gain tax has also been calculated here, and this will be subtracted from the cash flow when the apartment is sold. Just quickly, by going to the property price calculator, I calculated what the property will be worth in 5 years' time. This is a simple calculation based on an assumption that the property price in that area will grow by 6% per year for the next 5 years. So by going to the financial feasibility tab, we can then look at the analysis for this project. Option 1 has 2 scenarios, one with flooring and one without flooring. Option 2 has 2 scenarios, one with Wi-Fi and one without Wi-Fi. And option 3 has the one scenario of investing in a unit trust. And I decided to do it through Harbour Wealth, and they didn't invest in the direct unit trust. A cash flow was drawn for over a 60-month period, with each revenue and income drawn for that time, all the way through to the 60th month, and finally we find that they sell the houses in option 1 and 2 and draw the money in option 3. Now we can see for different after-tax MARs, different NPVs for each scenario. So in conclusion, the NPV calculation for option 2 is a little bit more difficult since it draws from a distribution and gives different values every time. If you can see when I push backspace, the values change. So a test was done where 10 tests were done for each of the MAR values, and an average and a standard deviation for each of those MAR values are then found. This then gives you an idea of what the average NPV is that you can get, as well as a standard deviation to see how risky that really is. In conclusion, it is best to go with option 1 and by doing the floors, resulting in a high NPV overall. Option 2 gives us a lower NPV. Option 1's second scenario gives us a lower NPV. For the second scenario, in option 1, where you do not install the floors, you actually get a lower NPV, so it is advised to install the floors. For option 2, it was found that it is definitely better to install the Wi-Fi, resulting in an increase of 150 Rand that you can ask per day for anybody that rents out from you. And the NPV, average NPV, 8% is this. It is, however, noted that the standard deviation is there, so it isn't such a safe option. And this is definitely the lowest option. We don't want to go for option 2. Option 3, we can see that on an after-tax MAR of 8%, we get this value. Comparing this to option 1's values, it's still definitely better to go and rent out your apartment permanently on a year-to-year basis. Thank you.